Hello, my name is Xenon, and I'm the inventor of UC, the smart Wi-Fi video doorbell. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you my product and also guide you through the easy steps for installation and using this product. So let's see first what is included in the box. We have QR code to scan it and download the app. In the next step, I will show you how easy it is to install the main unit on the wall and guide you through all the process. Let me show you how to connect the ring bell to your wall. First, we need to connect the power adapter to our ring bell, and then connect the power adapter to our power socket. Very important is to wait 30 seconds until we can actually use our ring bell. Now, we need to install the bracket to the wall using the two metal screws and our screwdriver. And when it's done, let's pop it in. So, we are all set and done. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna scan the QR code printed on the box and download the app. Here we go. When the download is complete and we have the app installed on our smartphone, let's go into the app. And see how to use it. Press on plus, press on the first option on the screen, and now we are ready to pair. Press on the bell before the pairing the device and press on next step. We are ready to pair, next step. You can hear the sound. It means we are pairing now. We are pairing our smartphone to the ring bell.
Wi-Fi configuration.
Now, in order to proceed to the next step, we will enter our default password and press on done and save. We're almost ready. Remember the chime unit? Alright, so the chime is actually the ringing device that we're going to install inside of the house. And I'm going to show you how to pair the chime to the ring bell. So let's do it. With one hand, press on the chime on the both corners, and at the same time, press on the ring bell 5 times. And this is how we pair the chime to the ring bell.